Okay, I think we're live. Yeah, okay. Hi guys. Welcome back to another live stream. Today we're doing an Arch Linux installation, just a quick one. And I'll probably have to end it. I'll do like a part 2 or something. Although that is what I said with the macOS virtual machine, and I haven't been able to complete that today. Although I did have to drop off my sister to my mum's. Okay, so, anyway, let's get straight into the video, live stream, sorry, and let's enter Virtualbox, because I'm sorry to say, but I am going to be doing this in a VM, because I don't have 2 PCs, or a capture card, and I couldn't get it working in order for me, so I couldn't get it working so that I could I couldn't get it working so that I was installing it onto my main computer, so I'll have to do it in a VM, and I'm sorry about that. So let's create a new virtual machine, and you'll obviously be able to see the specs. So let's get straight into this. So I'm just going to call this one Arch Linux. And I'll go straight into that. The memory I'm going to give it, I'll give it, let's see, 8 gigabytes of memory. Around 8 gigabytes of memory, should I say. Or maybe I should go with 10. I've got 32 gigs in my computer. I'm sure it will survive. Okay, I'll give it 10 gigs. No, I won't. No, I'll give it 8. And I'm gonna go next, and I'm gonna create the hard disk. And I'm gonna make the hard disk size 2 terabytes. So there's not really much of a limit for me. So, alright. Let's put in the disk. So that'll be in storage. And empty, and I'm going to select that and go OK, and I'm going to start it up. It's over here. There it is. So I'm going to go with this Arch Linux ISO file, and I'll start that up. I'm going to make this full screen. And put the view up to like 175. Oh, I'm really sorry about the flickering for this, guys. I don't know what to do about it. Alright, let's go into the Arch Linux install medium. Oh no, 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 don't give me flickering, not at this point. No, no, no. No, no, no. Alright. Okay, we're in. So I'm just gonna do a Pacman SY. Yeah, Pacman SY. So that's just updating some stuff. So it shouldn't take too long. What's going on with the flickering on my screen right now? Pacman SYU. I'm going to do that. Proceed with the installation. And it'll start doing some of that stuff. Oh my god. That looks awful. Glad no one's watching right now. Okay, so it's just installing all this stuff. Should not take too long. That looks awful. God. The flickering just never stops whenever I record or go live. Recording's fine, it's kind of gotten used to that. Hello, Blake Vargas. Welcome to the live stream. Today I'm installing Arch Linux on a virtual machine, so should be fun. How's it hanging for you? I'm just doing a Pac-Man SYU to update my mirror list. So oh wait, oh okay, right. So it looks like I have no viewers. Great. Okay. It's all good. It's all good. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm so sorry about the flickering. It's to do with my NVIDIA drivers, and I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how to fix it. And I have tried multiple solutions. Maybe I should get like a compositor or something. If you know any solutions, feel free to put in chat, but I don't know. That's where I look to the internet for this kind of stuff. So, Linux firmware. This is where it always goes wrong. It means I can't install wget. I can't get the Archify script, which is what I'm going to be using for today's live stream. More flickering, great. Just what I need to see. This Linux firmware install usually does take quite a while, and it usually takes a toll on my PC a little bit, but it's all good. I've got lots of RAM, and I think, yeah, I've got like a Core i7 in there. You know, in the meantime, while that's doing its thing, let me take a look at the NVIDIA drivers, actually. NVIDIA server settings. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so we've got... check how that's looking on the stream. So what I've been doing is I've been going to OpenGL settings. I've been going allow flipping, and I've just been turning it on and quitting. And then I go back in and I turn it back off. NVIDIA X server settings, and I'll turn that back off. And I'll quit out there. Try some custom drivers. Usually when people go NVIDIA, they use Popos because it has better drivers. Yeah, I know that, but I've already gone with LMDE. So yeah, I don't know what to do because I've already got all my stuff on LMD. I'm fine with switching, to be honest, but I have trouble partitioning my disks sometimes. So I tried installing Arch, so like a try-boot scenario, and I have tried installing Arch on the actual computer, but I might need to do a little bit of practice while I'm here, so I figured I'd live stream it. Okay, right, some custom drivers. What custom drivers? Is there any that you'd recommend? I'll just search up NVIDIA custom drivers. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Oh well. Oh, my internet's playing up now, isn't it? Yeah, oh, the bitrate is pretty good though. But apparently Google doesn't exist. Drivers. What's this? Custom or Express? I don't know. Let me what are the best custom NVIDIA drivers? I keep on doing that. Okay, custom or express installation. I don't know what this means, but hey. Okay, looking to get my driver updated through, and I don't use NVIDIA anymore, but there are some people that make those. Oh yeah, well, NVIDIA's good for like their hardware stuff, but if I'm going like full on with Linux, I'm definitely gonna switch to AMD if I can. Because that, you know, apparently they're just better with that. Yeah, okay. NVIDIA drivers for gaming. Let's just search that up. Let me check on the. Oh god, I got this. Oh. I hate it when it does this. Alright. What? Custom. I'll just go with this. What's going on? Yeah, whatever. Accept. Windows. No, I don't care. Wait, I'm not even using Ubuntu. Wow, apparently Gentoo works with that best. Maybe I should install Popos. Maybe I should. And just replace Mint with that. Although I don't know how that's gonna work out with like having multiple different installations. Will my computer like that? I'm sure it'll be okay with it, but like it's a bit confusing because I don't know how to get rid of Grub on my old Ubuntu install as well. Oh no, what did I just click on? One sec, actually. I'm just gonna search that up. How to... No, wait, no, that's off topic. Off topic. Sorry, well, Ah. What did I just... Oh, God. Fedora works pretty well, and so does Popos. And there are actually two that I had in my mind quite a bit. But I don't want to go with something that's known, you know? Like, Popos. Cinnamon. Wait, can you... Oh, wait, is it GDM on... Yeah, I'm using Debian based. I'm using Linux Mint Debian Edition. Actually... I use Fedora, but it's kind of weird for gaming. It's more focused on... Yeah, I know Fedora is more focused on workstation use. That's why I'm probably not going to go for it, but... I keep on thinking of Popos, But I also want to go with Manjaro, because, like, you know, hop across the, I don't know what it'd be. Hop across the tree and try an Arch-based distro. And I was thinking, what if I just go with Arch? But I'm not very good at Arch installations because this is what happens. So many errors right here. But I'm guessing you don't recommend Fedora for gaming. Oh wait, has the flickering gone yet, actually? Yeah, no flickering. Yeah, okay. Well, it does this for a while, but it just gets rid of it after a bit. But I don't think it's something to do with the drivers. But now that's made me think, what would be the best? And I think I'm definitely thinking Popos or Manjaro. What did I just get right there? Nothing. Okay. Yeah. Oh no. I'm definitely thinking Popos or Manjaro. So one of the two. Which one do you think is better? That's what I'm asking. That's the main question right now. I don't know why it keeps on doing this. Good to have a viewer, I guess. Anyway. I think Manjaro is great because it has good community and the entire Arch wiki for help. Fair enough, yeah. Manjaro is pretty good from what I've heard, and I've tried it out on a live USB, and it does seem like just you know, right up my alley. But the problem here that I'm having when I actually did try to install Manjaro because I really wanted to, but I have such an issue with my displays because first of all they're the wrong way around, and the wrong one is the primary display. So the display on my right is my primary display on my left is the secondary one, and it thinks that the display on my left is the primary one. So I try and switch that around, it just absolutely kills itself. It hates my displays. So that's really annoying. No, and I don't know how to fix it. I don't know if it's like with Popos and the separate ones for NVIDIA drivers, but who knows. Might be to do with my drivers, but I actually don't think it is this time. It might be to do with the way that my displays are done or something, I don't know. Because they're all through DisplayPort, and the one that I've got for my left display is DisplayPort to HDMI, and it might be some